We here at Fredericksburg Fire Department are interested in keeping your family healthy and happy through the winter months. As we enter cold and flu season, we have some tips to help keep you healthy and not get ill. First and foremost, the best thing that you can do to protect yourself and your family from the flu is to get the flu vaccine. Flu vaccine is manufactured every year, and every year it contains 3 different strands of flu virus to help protect you. These are the 3 strands that the CDC and the World Health Organization decided are probably the most likely to affect us here in the United States. The flu vaccine takes a few weeks to work, so your best bet is to get it as early as you can. If you normally get a flu vaccine, never had a reaction, you're probably good to go to a pharmacy or to a flu clinic and get it done. If you don't typically get a flu vaccine, you should contact your healthcare provider before getting it done. In addition, keeping yourself as healthy as you can is also going to help you. Make sure you wash your hands frequently. Stay away from sick people if you can. Eat a balanced diet. Exercise regularly and get plenty of rest. Normally you can track the flu through an airborne transmission. Someone has the flu, they cough or sneeze, you're in their general vicinity, and you breathe that virus into you, and that's how you can track the flu. It can also be spread from contaminated utensils, forks and knives, you shared a cup with someone who's sick, toothbrushes. In rare cases, it can be spread through surfaces. Someone who has the flu has contaminated a surface, they've touched it after touching their nose, and the virus is on the surface like a desk, and you come behind and you touch that same desk, and then you end up touching your nose or your mouth or your eye, and that's how you can track the flu. That's why we really advocate for hand washing. If you're not able to wash your hands, waterless hand sanitizers are everywhere, and you should use those. Those will do it a pinch. Or age populations that are more concerning when they get the flu are the very young and the elderly, because often the very young they don't have a good immune system to combat the flu, and the same thing once you get elderly and you have other conditions. If you already have asthma or emphysema or a cardiac problem and then you get the flu, it tends to make you sicker than a 25-year-old who has no medical history, because you already have a weakened immune system, you already have trouble breathing, and now you have a virus that causes trouble breathing. You can get very sick from that. But they do recommend at all ages, 6 months and up, get the flu vaccine. Lots of people say they get sick after getting the flu shot. You cannot actually get the flu as the virus flu from the flu vaccine. It is a dead virus that they give you in the shot. It cannot cause that flu. Signs and symptoms of the flu include fever, coughing, sneezing, sometimes runny nose. People will get ear infections, sinus infections. You can get a respiratory infection associated with the flu. In some cases, people will have lower respiratory problems, including shortness of breath and wheezing. But normally the flu will be associated with fever, and it hits you pretty hard, whereas a cold doesn't normally have a fever, and you can normally work through it and continue with your daily activities. If you think you have the flu, you should go seek medical attention at your doctor's office. They can often give you some antiviral medications that will help lessen the duration and the severity of the flu. When you go there, they will do a swab to confirm that that's actually what you have and that you don't have some bacterial infection or something that doesn't require these drugs. If you're having severe signs and symptoms of the flu, like trouble breathing, altered mental status, you lost consciousness, or you're having some chest pain, you should seek treatment in an emergency room. Wash your hands often. Carry waterless hand sanitizer. If you're sick, stay home. It's the best way that you can prevent the spread of flu to others. You don't want your coworkers or family members getting sick. Get vaccinated. The vaccine is the #1 way to keep yourself healthy this flu season. Get your family vaccinated, get your friends vaccinated, get your coworkers vaccinated. Everybody should be vaccinated against the flu.
It's never fun. Should we give him pink?
Huh?
Yeah, of course.
It's breast cancer month.
Oh, yeah. You don't have like Batman or nothing like that?
Nope, I only have stars and glitters.
All
Here's
right.
pink for you.